Hello everyone, welcome back to Zaheer FXCR. If you are new to Forex trading and wondering what Forex education actually is and how people make money from Forex trading, then this video is for you. Many beginners see traders posting profits on social media and think Forex is a quick way to become rich. But the reality is very different. Successful traders do not make money because they are lucky. They make money because they spend time learning, practicing, and understanding how the market works. Today, I am going to explain what Forex education is, why it is important, and how traders can potentially make money from the Forex market. First, let's understand what Forex is. Forex stands for foreign exchange market. It is the largest financial market in the world, where currencies are bought and sold every day. Governments, banks, businesses, and individual traders all participate in this market. When you trade Forex, you are trading one currency against another. For example, when you see EUR USD, you are comparing the euro with the US dollar. If you think the euro will become stronger than the dollar, you buy the pair. If the price goes up, you can make a profit. If the price goes down, you may lose money. This is the basic idea behind Forex trading. Now let's talk about Forex education. Forex education is the process of learning how the market works before risking real money. It includes understanding charts, price movements, trading strategies, risk management, and trading psychology. Think about learning how to drive a car. Before driving on a busy road, you first learn the rules, understand the controls, and spend time practicing. Forex trading works exactly the same way. Many people enter the market without proper education. They watch a few videos, join a signal group, and immediately start trading with real money. Unfortunately, this approach often leads to losses. Forex education helps traders understand what they are doing and why they are doing it. Instead of guessing, they learn how to make informed trading decisions. A complete Forex education usually covers topics such as currency pairs, Forex charts, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, trend analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. These skills help traders understand market behavior and improve their decision-making process. One of the biggest reasons beginners lose money is because they skip the education phase. Many people are attracted by stories of quick profits. They believe they can double their account in a few days or turn a small amount of money into a fortune overnight. In reality, Forex trading is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to learn. Professional traders spend months and sometimes years developing their knowledge and experience. They understand that success comes from consistency, discipline, and proper risk management. Now let's discuss how people actually make money from Forex trading. The first way is by buying a currency pair when they believe the price will rise. For example, if a trader believes the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, they may buy EURASD. If the price moves higher, they can close the trade and earn a profit. The second way is by selling a currency pair when they believe the price will fall. This is one of the unique features of Forex trading. Traders can potentially profit from both rising and falling markets. For example, if a trader believes the British pound will weaken against the US dollar, they can sell GBP USD. If the price falls, they can close the trade and potentially make a profit. However, making money in Forex is not simply about predicting direction. Risk management plays a huge role in long-term success. Professional traders know that losses are a normal part of trading. They do not try to win every trade. Instead, they focus on protecting their capital and managing risk. For example, a trader may risk only a small percentage of their account on a single trade. This helps them survive losing streaks and continue trading even when the market does not move in their favor. Without risk management, even a good strategy can fail. Another important part of Forex education is trading psychology. Many beginners become emotional when money is involved. They get excited after winning trades and frustrated after losing trades. These emotions often lead to poor decisions. Successful traders learn how to control their emotions and follow their trading plans. They understand that trading is a long-term journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you want to make money from Forex trading, the best approach is to focus on education first. Learn the basics of the market. Understand how charts work. Study support and resistance. Practice on a demo account. Learn proper risk management. Develop a trading strategy. And most importantly, be patient. Do not expect instant success. Forex trading can provide opportunities, but it also carries risks. The traders who succeed are usually the ones who treat trading like a business and continue learning every day. Remember, education comes before profits. The more knowledge and experience you gain, the better your chances of becoming a disciplined and consistent trader. I hope this video helped you understand what Forex education is and how people make money from Forex trading. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Zaheer FXCR, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Forex education content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.